First, crews have to locate the source of the break. Crews also have to know where all underground utilities like power and natural gas lines are. For that, we call VA 811. Locating utility lines can take up to 3 hours. After all utilities are accounted for, crews break open the roadway to search for the leak. But it looks like we finally found where all that water is coming from. Now we just have to pump it out. The water line is still active. That way we keep positive pressure on the line and make sure contaminants aren't pulled into the breakage and into the clean water system. There's the culprit, a circular break in the line, likely caused by a combination of shifting ground and an aging water pipe. But luckily this one could be quickly fixed. After clearing away dirt and imperfections on the water line that would make it hard to get a good seal on the pipe, a clamp is put in place around the breakage. Once the bolts are tightened, the leak is cut off and the line is repaired. Now our friends at Harrisonburg Public Works can come in and patch over the hole and any other areas of roadway damaged by the flowing water.